Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Monday.com Items, where you will learn how to maximize the potential of this powerful tool. Monday.com items are the building blocks of your workflow, and understanding how to use them effectively is crucial for streamlining your processes. First, let's define what Monday.com items are. Items are individual records or tasks that are stored in a board, which is a visual representation of your workflow. Each item can have multiple fields, such as text, numbers, dates, and more, that provide context and details about the task. To create a new item, simply click the plus sign at the top of your board and fill in the relevant fields. You can also customize the fields to fit your specific needs by adding or removing columns and changing the field types. One of the key concepts to understand when working with Monday.com items is the idea of item types. Item types determine the structure and behavior of your items, and can be used to categorize and organize your tasks. For example, you can create an item type for customer requests, or for project tasks. Another important concept is item relationships. Item relationships allow you to link items together, creating a network of connected tasks and workflows. This enables you to track dependencies and visualize the flow of work across your organization. To take your item management to the next level, you can use item templates. Item templates are pre-configured items that can be used to quickly create new items with standardized fields and settings. This saves time and ensures consistency across your workflow. Best practices for working with Monday.com items include keeping your items organized by using clear and descriptive names, and by regularly archiving or deleting completed items. You should also establish a clear workflow by defining the status and progression of your items, and by using automation to streamline repetitive tasks. By following these guidelines, and by mastering the advanced features of Monday.com items, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool and transform your workflow into a streamlined and efficient machine. With practice and experience, you will be able to create complex workflows and manage multiple projects with ease, using the advanced features of Monday.com items.